Okay, we're going to be taking some of the principles of algebra and apply them to what we've already been doing with indices. So let's just have a recap as to what the laws of indices are. I need to get the right colour for my pen, otherwise it's not going to work. So, the laws of indices. So remember, if you've got x to the power a and we times that by x to the power b, then we have x to the a plus b. If we have x to the power a divided by x to the power b, then we have x to the a minus b. If we have x to the a, and then all that's raised to the power n, we have x to the a times n, and if we have x to the 0, that is 1. So these are things you just need to memorize. They crop up all the time and are really, really useful. So let's do a few more problems with indices that are a wee bit more challenging. So let's think about firstly this problem here, 2a to the 0. So this is 2 times a to the 0, and we know that's going to be 1. So it's just 2 times 1, which is 2. Pretty simple. This next one is going to be a bit more taxing. So let's think 4a cubed b to the minus 2 all multiplied by 2 times a to the minus 2 b to the power 5. Now just think, all these different parts, you've got the two coefficients, you've got the a term to the two a terms and the two b terms, all of them are being multiplied together. So what we can do, because multiplication doesn't matter what order you do it in, we can take the different elements out and deal with them separately. So let's take out these two coefficients first. So 4 times 2 is 8. That's nice and simple. Let's take the two a terms out next. So a cubed multiplied by a to the minus 2. Now that's something that we've met before. So as a, 3 add minus 2 is going to be 1. It's just a. And then we've got b to the minus 2 multiplied by b to the power 5. Again, that's going to be b minus 2 plus 5, which is b cubed. If we slot all these back in, we've just worked out that that's going to be 8 times a times b cubed. Let's do another one. Again, this is going to be a bit more challenging. So we've got 10 a squared b over 2 a cubed square root of b. So we're going to take each of these terms individually. So 10 over 2 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's now deal with the a terms. So we have a squared divided by a cubed, which is a 2 minus 3, which is a to the minus 1. And then we have b divided by b to the half, because b the square root of b is b to the half. That's actually minus b to the half because it's underneath there. So So it's b 1 minus a half. Oh, sorry, it's not there. Right, minus a half. So 1 minus a half, 1 whole minus 1 half is a half, so it's b to half. It's a square root of b. So let's slot all these back in. So we've got the 5. I'll just draw the line there to get that out of the way. 5, then we've got a to the minus 1, and then we've got the square root of b. And this can be written as 5 square root of b over a, because a to the minus 1 is 1 over a. So this one here is a wee bit more involved, but if we just take our time, we can work it all out. So yeah, next lesson we're looking at expanding brackets. Just play with the indices and get familiar with the rules, and you should be able to pick up some nice marks in the exam.